Okay, so let's take a look at how you can change Favicon in Drupal. So I have one site where I have Drupal installed, and as you can see at the top it shows this default bootstrap Favicon. So I want to change this. Now let's go to login and let me log into administration. So after login to administration, we have to check for appearance section where I have this bootstrap theme. Now for each theme there will be a specific Favicon you need to change. So by default your default batik theme or any other default theme will have its own Favicon. So in my case, for this bootstrap, I need to go to settings. Okay, now here you can see bootstrap settings, but it doesn't contain option for Favicon. So you need to go to override global settings, and here you can see logo, image and Favicon. Select the Favicon section. Now here you can see your shortcut icon Favicon is displayed in the address bar. So use the Favicon supplied by the theme. You have to uncheck this. The moment you do this, you get two options. One, to add path to custom icon so that it can load from that. So if you have any CDN subscription, you can upload your Favicon to that CDN and then give that path here. That will load the Favicon a lot quicker. And second option is to use the Favicon image that on your desktop, upload it to your website and save the configuration. So I'm going to show you how to do that from your local system. So here I have this Favicon. I'm going to upload and save. Okay, now here you can see the default one is taken, and here you can see fac.png, but currently it is yet to upload. So the bootstrap one is replaced by default in the time being. Okay, so that default will show in case your own Favicon is not loaded. Okay, so you can see fac.png is accepted as the right file for this, but okay, so we can go to site and check whether we have our new Favicon accepted. Here you can see, you can browse between the pages to see if that is accepted. You can see here it is now accepted on every page. Let it give it a time so that it will get into cache and will be available within few hours across all your blog pages or site pages in general. Okay, so to change the Favicon, the steps are: go to your administration, then go for appearance, then check your theme for settings. Okay, then you have to check for override global settings, then choose Favicon, and then here you have to disable this use the Favicon supplied by the theme. Then you can use your path to that icon file, or you can upload that icon file and save the configuration. Then give it few minutes to hours so that your website can cache that particular Favicon and will display it across all the pages.